Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning to one and all. Today we shall move on with Unit 4, Lesson 4.5, a poem Tansen written by the poet Hazrat Inayat Khan. This poem is about renowned people, renowned singers, and all this take place in the court of Akbar. The great king Akbar, during his period, during the lifespan of Akbar, the king, he had in his empire, in his imperialism, in his kingdom, 9 jewels, 9 very renowned people, very famous people who were real advocates, real legal advisors, real counselors in the court of Akbar. They are known as 9 jewels in the court of Akbar. I have given you all the 9 names out here. Abul Faizi ibn Mubarak, Raja Tudalmal, Abdul Rahim Khan Khana, Raja Bilbar Mullah Dupyaza, Faizi Fakir Aziauddin, Tansen, and finally Raja Man Singh the First. Tansen by Hazrat Inayat Khan is a poem which expresses human being and the expression of God. It is but obvious human beings are just mere creatures created by the heavenly abode, by God Himself. Therefore, what were the songs sung by various people? They are obviously, it's not an English word. In this poem, Tansen, there are many Hindi words being used in this particular poem. So that's why I use the same word out here. Various rags, it's supposed to be actually songs in proper English. There are various songs have been sung by such renowned poets all over the world, especially during the imperialism of King Akbar. The various songs are there. They are all in your textbook. You can copy it down there accordingly, and the effective meaning of each one is also given. I have written it in my textbook. You can write it down by referring to various other reference books available in the market, and then write down what is there, the various songs of or rags of the time of Akbar. Pahadi is sung in the evening. Bhairav sung during the morning prayers. Deepak is the song of fire which Tansen has sung out here. Then you have the Malkas Rag, or the divinely godly song sung early hours of the morning. Then you have Yaman during the sunset time before twilight. Then you have Bhim Palasi, which is late afternoon before sunset. Kedar, late evening, that means after twilight to midnight. Jog, small hours in the morning, that is obviously during the dawn time, where before the sunlight comes out clearly and human being faces the sun rays directly. Bhairavi, often at the end of a long musical performance. Bhairavi, obviously, where there were enactments, it was always taken at the crossings, open theatres, it was done in that manner, and when everything was over, then the Bhairavi Rag was played for entertainment in a musical form. Then you have the God Malhar, that is for water or for monsoon period. These were the various rags or songs sung during the period of King Akbar's court. Now let's start off with the poem itself. And the poem has used vernacular language, that is your Hindi. Many words have been used out here. And the whole poem is in the form of couplets, that means 2 lines per stanza has been written up for Tansen out here by Hazrat Inayat Khan. Tansen by Hazrat Inayat Khan. Tansen, the singer in great Akbar's court, won great renown through the Badshahi fort. Badshahi, kingly fort. Fort, obviously, a great wall built up for protection of many human beings who could stay inside and earn a living within the 4 walls during the time of King Akbar. One great renown, I gave you the meaning of all things, if I am not mistaken, yes, famousness. Badshahi is obviously kingdom. His voice rang like the sound of silver bells. Here there is a figure of speech which is known as simile, like the sound of silver bells. That means the voice that he was singing, it was so melodious, it was so nice to be heard by the ear. It was like the bell was ringing in the church, or the bell was ringing any of the temples, or wherever bells do ring for prayers specially. And Akbar ravished heard. Ravished heard means very interestingly, very attentively. The story tells, as the story has been told by the ancestors, it has been heard and heard and heard from ancestor to ancestor to ancestor, and now in present days it has been written down. So Hazrat Inayat Khan has written the poem in such a simple language manner where people can understand it in a very easy and a precarious way. How the king praised him, gave him many a gem, called him chief jewel in his diadem. Now, whenever Tansen used to come to the court of Akbar, obviously he used to come there to sing one of the different types of rags, and whenever King Akbar heard him, and he was very much pleased. Obviously, whenever a king is very much pleased in his happiness, the king would give some gift to the particular person who has pleased him with a pleasing manner. So whenever Tansen used to come to the court of Akbar, King Akbar used to give him gems. Gem means precious stones, valuable things in that manner. And he was called as a chief person, a very talented, very creative person in the court of Akbar, in his diadem. Diadem means the crown of Akbar, the kingdom of Akbar, the imperialism of Akbar. One day, the singer sang the song of fire. What did Tansen sing? One day, the singer sang the song of fire, the Deepak Rag. That means the song of fire is known as Deepak Rag. The song of fire is known as Deepak Rag. And burning like a pyre, 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 is a pile of woods. It is done specially in the religion of Hinduism, where it is known as cremation, where a person dies, the body is put on a pile of wood, and then the person is burnt up. The same way, Tansen starts singing the song of fire, and his whole body starts burning like the pyre. His body burst into consuming flame. Consuming means totally full blast, burning. The flames were literally moving about all his body. burning the body in that way. The whole body of Tansen started burning by his singing of the Deepak Rag. To cure his burning heart, a maiden came. To cure meaning to recomfort or rebuild the body of Tansen, where he is himself a human being. He starts singing the Deepak Rag, his whole body starts burning like fire in the pyre. Then a lady, to cure his burning heart, that means to make Tansen back to normal, a maiden came. Maiden means a lady came. Maiden, if I am not given, I have given you the meaning of it. If a maiden came, then what did she do? Obviously, she has to do something so that Tansen can come back to normal. So what did she do? She sang the song of Malhar, or the Rag of Malhar Rag. Where is it? Yeah. 10, number point 10. And sang Malhar, the song of water cold, till health returned and comfort as of old. That means the song of fire was continuously sung till Tansen came back to normal, as he was a proper human being in that particular manner. And sang Malhar, the song of water, till health returned. Till health returned means he came back to normal. And comfort as of old. He was feeling fresh as the flowers as soon as it blossoms in such a particular manner. Mighty thy teacher must be and divine. Great Akbar said, magic indeed is thine. That means here Akbar is praising Tansen that your song was so strong, so melodious, so harmonious, where you sang the song in such a manner that your whole body started burning, your whole body started consuming fire, your whole body was in complete flames. Then a lady came in who sang the Malhar Rag, that is the song of cold water, where that water consuming onto your body made your complete body normal, made your complete body as it was. Indeed, mighty thy teacher. That means obviously you are so great. How great your teacher, how great your guru, how great your professor will be. You would have been in that manner. Must be and divine. Divine means godly. We are God-fearing people, but a person who is left the world remaining in a solitaire, remaining himself in a remote place, remains in such a way where no one can come or no one can go in such a way. So in that way, King Akbar is telling, great Akbar said, indeed, magic indeed is thine. Magic indeed is thine. That means King Akbar is praising Tansen. Even though the lady who returned it in such a manner that the body of Tansen would come back to normal. Body of Tansen would come back to normal in that way. So, in such a way it went on. That's enough for today. If you have any doubts, if you have any queries, if you have any questions, if you have any problems, you're most welcome to ask me, question me, call me, chat with me. 24/7 I'm available. Please subscribe to the channel. Please like the channel. And please put up any comments if you do have some in a positive manner. and I request all the Maharashtra State students to listen to the video very, very carefully. Please listen so that you understand every word, every line, every statement in a particular manner. So if you have any doubts, any queries, any problems, please call me, please chat with me. I'm available 24/7. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.